I'm Alex Cavelco, an application engineer here at Dynamic Ratings. Today I'm going to show you how to add cards to a B100 transformer monitor. This is the B100 NNE, which does not currently have any communications cards. So to start the process, first we are going to power down the unit and open up the front cover. The first step is to remove this blue I/O shield. So there are 3 Phillips screws here that we are going to take out. The B100 expansion slots are here, and they are both keyed to aid in installation. Here we have the 2 B100 cards that we will be adding, the Fiber Ethernet and RS485. Both of the connectors on the back are different from one another, so they cannot be mixed up. For the Fiber Ethernet card, the screws are here, here, and here. And for the RS485 card, they are here, here, and here. The required Phillips screws will come packaged with the cards. With both cards installed, we can now reinstall the blue I/O shield. To configure the B100 with a computer, and plug this cable in. Power the unit on, and then the B100 will automatically recognize the communications cards. This can be verified via the web pages. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to add cards to a B100. If you have any questions, please reach out to sales@dynamicratings.com.